Alberta Driver's Knowledge Tests. Practice test. 30 questions. Question 1. What's the first thing you should do when you want to change lanes? A. Complete both shoulder and mirror checks. B. Slow down. C. Check the speed signs. D. Accelerate.
The correct answer is A. Complete both shoulder and mirror checks.
Question 2. When driving towards a railway crossing, you should A. Watch for warning lights that indicate an approaching train. B. Watch for vehicles ahead of you that are required to stop. C. Realize that trains always have the right of way. D. All of the above.
The correct answer is D. All of the above.
Question 3. You can recognize traffic signs by their shape and color. A white rectangle-shaped sign is used for A. Direction information, like your distance to a destination. B. A message about a law or regulation. C. Construction areas. D. Roadside facilities ahead, like a rest stop.
The correct answer is B. A message about a law or regulation.
Question 4. It's important to stay well behind large trucks and buses and out of their blind spots because A. You may not be visible to the driver if you follow too closely. B. You will not be able to see very well if you follow too closely. C. You could get crushed between one of these vehicles and the curb if they are turning at an intersection. D. All of the above.
The correct answer is D. All of the above.
Question 5. You use a shared turn lane in the center of the road. A. To pass another vehicle on the right. B. Turn into another street or driveway. C. During peak traffic hours. D. To pass another vehicle on the left.
The correct answer is B. Turn into another street or driveway.
Question 6. What does this sign mean? A. There may be fallen rocks on the road ahead. B. There is a steep hill ahead. C. There may be a traffic jam ahead. D. There is a dead end ahead.
The correct answer is A. There may be fallen rocks on the road ahead.
Question 7. If a vehicle ahead of you stops at a crosswalk on a multi-lane road, you should A. Pass the vehicle on the right only. B. Pass the vehicle on the left only. C. Stop before passing the vehicle and make sure there are no pedestrians in the crosswalk. D. Honk to encourage the vehicle's driver to get going.
The correct answer is C. Stop before passing the vehicle and make sure there are no pedestrians in the crosswalk.
Question 8. If you pull out just slightly into another lane to pass a cyclist, you are A. Doing something illegal. You must change lanes completely. B. Doing something unnecessary. There is plenty of room in one lane for a car to pass a cyclist. C. Actually changing lanes and should check your mirror, shoulder check, and then signal. D. A hazard to other drivers.
The correct answer is C. Actually changing lanes and should check your mirror, shoulder check, and then signal.
Question 9. If your car breaks down on the freeway, you should A. Pull over to the far right and walk to the next exit. B. Put on your emergency flashers. Pull over to the far right and walk to the next exit. C. Signal. Pull over to the far right. Stay near your vehicle in a safe place and raise the hood. D. Stop wherever you are and go for help.
The correct answer is C. Signal. Pull over to the far right. Stay near your vehicle in a safe place and raise the hood.
Question 10. When are you not allowed to drive faster than 30 kilometers per hour? A. In an uncontrolled parking lot. B. In a residential area. C. In playground zones that are in effect. D. In back alleys.
The correct answer is C. In playground zones that are in effect.
Question 11. What does this sign mean? A. The leftmost lane ends ahead. B. The rightmost lane ends ahead. C. There is a sharp left turn ahead. D. There is a slight right turn ahead.
The correct answer is B. The rightmost lane ends ahead.
Question 12. True or false? Unless a sign says you can't, you can make a right turn on a red light after you come to a full stop. A. True. B. False.
The correct answer is A. True.
Question 13. What does this sign mean? A. The pavement ends ahead. B. Drivers must come to a complete stop. C. The pavement starts ahead. D. There is a dead end ahead.
The correct answer is A. The pavement ends ahead.
Question 14. When you're coming up to an intersection without a crosswalk or stop lines on the road, what should you do? A. Slow down to make sure any crossing traffic is clear. B. Stop within 3 meters of the intersecting road. C. Stop at a point in the intersection where you can see at least 100 meters on each side for approaching traffic. D. You don't need to stop if you're turning right.
The correct answer is B. Stop within 3 meters of the intersecting road.
Question 15. When an ambulance, fire, or police emergency vehicle is approaching from any direction and sounding a siren, you need to A. Speed up. B. Yield the right of way. C. Stop. D. None of the above.
The correct answer is B. Yield the right of way.
Question 16. What's the best way to check if there are vehicles in your blind spot? A. Shoulder check. B. Check rear view and side mirrors. C. Scan ahead for blind spots. D. Both A and B are correct.
The correct answer is A. Shoulder check.
Question 17. What does this sign mean? A. These signs guide the drivers around the sharp curves in the road. B. These signs show the exit from the freeways. C. Drivers must not take a left or right turn. D. There is a winding road ahead.
The correct answer is A. These signs guide the drivers around the sharp curves in the road.
Question 18. In the city, are you allowed to back your vehicle into a crosswalk or intersection? A. Yes, but only in residential areas. B. Yes, if there's no stop sign in the intersection. C. You're never allowed to do this. D. Yes, if there are no pedestrians or traffic nearby.
The correct answer is C. You're never allowed to do this.
Question 19. Which of the following isn't a condition for Class 5 GDL probationary drivers? A. Is not permitted to drive from midnight to 5 o'clock. B. Can have no more passengers than seat belts. C. Must have a blood alcohol level of 0. D. Will be suspended at 8 or more demerit points.
The correct answer is A. Is not permitted to drive from midnight to 5 o'clock.
Question 20. When you're passing a very large vehicle, you should A. Take your time, the vehicle may be long and you don't want to speed. B. Pass as quickly as you can within the speed limit. C. Make sure you have enough space. You do not want to get stuck in that vehicle's blind spot. D. Both B and C are correct.
The correct answer is D. Both B and C are correct.
Question 21. When you're traveling in the winter, it's a good idea to A. Carry a shovel, sand or salt, and warning flares. B. Use snow tires. C. Make sure that snow and frost are removed from all your windows before you start driving. D. All of the above.
The correct answer is D. All of the above.
Question 22. As a driver, you should A. Carefully watch the car behind you. B. Continually check the sides of the road and all of your mirrors, as well as the road ahead. C. Never look ahead of your car. D. Rarely look in your mirrors.
The correct answer is B. Continually check the sides of the road and all of your mirrors, as well as the road ahead.
Question 23. What does this sign mean? A. Steep hill for trucks. B. Steep hill ahead. C. Slow down. D. Come to a stop at the bottom of the hill.
The correct answer is B. Steep hill ahead.
Question 24. The shoulder of a highway, section between the white line and the edge of the roadway, is for A. Slow-moving vehicles. B. Allowing vehicles to pass. C. Emergency stopping. D. Parking.
The correct answer is C. Emergency stopping.
Question 25. How many stages are in the Graduated Driver Licensing (GDL) program? A. 1. B. 3. C. 6. D. 2.
The correct answer is B. 3.
Question 26. You shouldn't follow cyclists too closely because they A. Don't have rear view mirrors. B. Don't have brake lights to let you know when they're stopping. C. Don't have to follow the rules of the road. D. Use their left arm to let you know they're turning.
The correct answer is B. Don't have brake lights to let you know when they're stopping.
Question 27. Driving faster than what you see, overdriving your headlights at night is dangerous because A. You cannot stop within the distance that you can see. B. Your headlights may become overworked and thus stop working at all. C. You may blind oncoming drivers. D. You won't be able to see if it becomes foggy.
The correct answer is A. You cannot stop within the distance that you can see.
Question 28. True or false? Unless a sign says otherwise, you can make a right turn on a red light after you come to a full stop. A. True. B. False.
The correct answer is A. True.
Question 29. True or false? If your front tire goes flat, your vehicle will pull strongly to the side that doesn't have the flat tire. A. True. B. False.
The correct answer is B. False.
Question 30. What does this sign mean? A. Hazard or danger present on the right side of the road. B. Hazard or danger present on the left side of the road. C. There is a parking area ahead. D. The vehicles can stop here.
The correct answer is B. Hazard or danger present on the left side of the road.
Thank you for watching.